Hi everyone, thanks for coming out to my channel. If you're looking for my beauty boxes and product reviews, I have moved those now over to my Jenny SRP YouTube channel. So head over there if you're looking for my latest beauty box unboxing, beauty reviews, product reviews. That's what I'll be doing over on the Jenny SRP channel. You can stay on this channel if you're looking for some of my animation videos. I'll also keep this channel for my ME advocacy videos when they happen, but no plans to record anything for now. So again, thanks for checking us out. Move to Jenny SRP for the beauty box reviews, and you can also head to my Patreon account, patreon.com/JennySRP, to support all of my creative projects in drawing, digital painting, video editing. All of the support I can get is so inspiring to keep me moving forward and creating on my own time. So we'll see you around in all the different platforms, and let me know what you think and what you like and what you want to see more of, and I'll see you soon.